If you're still dragging a garden hose out to your swimming pool every single week just to keep it from dipping below the skimmer line, then you're wasting your time. This heavy-duty anti-corrosion metal automatic filler will completely automate that process. Take that chore away from you. You just hook it up, set up your visual depth gauge, and let it do the work, meaning you'll never accidentally run your pool pump dry again. You follow the simple instructions, allowing it to open to a 90-degree angle, and then you will see how this metal box solves this major issue much better than the cheap plastic options out there. Never let your pool run dry again or go out of town and wonder if you have enough water in your pool. You're going to open this little box here with this clamp, and inside you're going to find these 5 plastic bags, and we're going to fill these with water. And you can rest assured that this metal piping in here will not corrode or rust. It'll be a very protective source for your water hose. It's equipped with 3 heavy-duty suction cups at the bottom, and it has really easy to follow instructions. You just use a standard garden hose, and the smart automatic float is outlined in here how it works. It will shut off automatically, and there's no tools required for installation. It will show you how to set your water gauge. The old school method, you'd have to guess blindly where it would be, but the unique advantage here, it gives you a 2 to 9 inch visual adjustment scale. And the 3 suction ports at the bottom will keep it from floating away. The water will simply run through this metal hose, and you'll fill the box with your pre-filled water bags, giving it the buoyancy to help regulate the water control. And it helps to tell the hose when to turn on and off. You simply stick the unit against your pool wall and manually splash water around it to give it a firm tug. This product was given to me for my honest opinion, and I found it really easy to set up. I'm looking forward to not having to worry about my pool running dry again. Having it set automatically will relieve this burden. A very value proposition to take care of a problem that many homeowners face. If you like this video, please give it a like and follow us to see more from this company and others like these.